Ready, start. By means of the present petition, the petitioner has challenged the impugned order dated 2/9/2016 passed by the State Public Service Tribunal, Lucknow in claim petition number 626 of 2016. Full stop. Facts in brief of the present case are that claimant slash respondent number 1, that is Sri Suresh Chandra, who was working on the post of officiating executive engineer in UP Housing and Development Board, posted at Ghaziabad, was served with a punishment order, thereby awarding the adverse annual confidential remark in his service record. Full stop. Thereafter, he filed a claim petition number 626 of 2016, double inverted comma, Suresh Chandra versus State of UP and others, double inverted comma, close, to quash the adverse entries which were awarded to him, allowed by order dated 2/9/2016, passed by State Public Services Tribunal, Lucknow, full stop. The tribunal, as per the provisions of Rule 4 within bracket 1 of UP government servants within bracket disposal of representation against adverse annual confidential reports and allied matters bracket close rules, 1995 within bracket hereinafter referred to rules 1995 bracket close, has held that the adverse entries awarded to the claimant slash respondent number 1 were to be communicated within 45 days to him as provided in the said rules, but the same were communicated to him after expiry of the mandatory period, that is 45 days, as such, granted the relief to claimant slash respondent number 1 by allowing the claim petition filed by him and set aside the order dated 18/3/2016. Full stop. It is hereby ordered that the adverse annual confidential report for the year 2008-09 shall not be treated adverse for the purpose of promotion, crossing of efficiency bar and other service matters of the petitioner. Full stop. Sri Ratnesh Chandra, learned counsel for the petitioner, while challenging the impugned order passed by the tribunal, argued that in the present case, adverse entries which were awarded to the claimant slash respondent number 1 for the period of 1/4/2008 to 13/10/2008 and thereafter for the period of 14/10/2008 to 31/3/2009 were approved by two housing commissioners on 26/2/2010 and 18/11/2011 respectively. Full stop. Thereafter, wide letter dated 15/12/2011 issued by the Joint Housing Commissioner, Superintending Engineer, 6th Circle, Agra, was directed to communicate the said orders to the claimant slash respondent number 1. Full stop. Lastly, it was communicated to him on 6/1/2012. Full stop. In view of the above said facts, it is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that claimant slash respondent number 1 is not entitled to get the benefits as provided under Rule 4 of Rules 1995, as the adverse entries awarded to the claimant slash respondent number 1 were communicated within reasonable time. Full stop. In support of his argument, he has placed reliance on the judgment given by Honorable the Apex Court in the case of Sukhdev Singh versus Union of India and others, within bracket 2013 bracket close 9 SCC 566. Full stop. Accordingly, it is submitted by him that taking into consideration the judgment as given by Honorable the Apex Court in the case of Sukhdev Singh within bracket supra bracket close, in the present case, adverse entries were communicated to the claimant slash respondent within the reasonable time, because the word double inverted shall double inverted close used in Rule 4 of Rules 1995 is not mandatory in nature but it is directing in nature. Full stop.